Hey guys, this is Amal from TechLeatherCraft. In this video, I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. These are the new light blue version. I do have my original Samsung Galaxy Buds in the black. And I will be doing a video in the future comparing these. I'm super excited because these do have better microphones, and supposedly they'll add to the call quality. That's one problem I had with these. They worked great for sound otherwise, but when making calls, they were sometimes a little hit or miss. And so that's supposedly an improvement on these, and also the battery life. So let's just get into unboxing it really quick, and I will have a full video later on doing a comparison review between the Plus model and the original. So just on the inside here, it looks like we have some documentation. For those of you who are wondering what is in the paperwork, you do get a terms and conditions, looks like a warranty paper, and then you do get a quick start guide, and that just has diagrams and how to use the Galaxy Buds. So if you need help with that, it's pretty simple, and then it tells you how to do the connect using the Samsung Galaxy Wearables app, which supposedly now is also available on iOS. And then these are the buds here. We'll just make sure there's nothing else in the package. Alright. And compared to my original, this one says Samsung on it, this one says Samsung Sound by AKG. And there are the new buds. There's a little bit of an iridescent shine on these, and then has the left-right indicator. And then we'll just unbox what else comes in the package. This is a white USB-C cable, and it comes with the standard ear adjustment pieces. These are for the smaller fit, and these are for the larger. And actually on my Samsung Galaxy Buds, I ended up playing around with doing different styles. If your ear is different, what's nice is you can just use one side for the left and one side for the right, and that may be more comfortable. So the bands and the adjustment pieces all match the color of the blue USB-C port. If you guys are interested, I do make these leather cases. This is the belt clip model with a keyring on it, and this is just the trigger snap model. And they do fit just like your standard version 1 Galaxy Buds in the case. And so hopefully if you have a case that you already own from the Galaxy Buds version 1, they will fit into that case. I know just from the spec read, this is supposed to have a longer battery life, I think 11 hours. And I really hope to test out the call quality. Like I said, these were alright for call quality. They were kind of hit or miss. Supposedly this does have an extra microphone, I think 3 microphones total, and improves on the call quality of your voice. And if you guys have any questions or anything you want me to cover in a future video about these, let me know. Right now my plan is just to do a comparison video of the Plus model versus the original, and just talk about some pros and cons and whether you should upgrade or not. That video will be coming up. I do want to test these out for a couple of days, maybe a week or so, and then I'll post a video talking about them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in tech, leathercraft, EDC, and multi-tool stuff, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will have more videos coming up soon. Thanks.